Today, I'm going to share with you 6 of the most underrated side hustles for 2023. These have the potential to earn you anywhere from $100 to over $1,000 a day. All you have to do is pick one and get started. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Number 1. Amazon Retail Arbitrage. On average, Amazon.com generates over $1.3 billion a day in sales, and you can get a piece of that without even starting your own business. You can do this by leveraging a trick called Amazon Retail Arbitrage. This allows you to resell products from big brand retailers like Walmart and Costco directly on Amazon for a quick profit. The best part is that you don't have to handle any shipping yourself. To do this successfully, you just need to set up an Amazon seller account and download their app on your phone. With the seller app, you can go into these stores, scan the barcodes of products, see their selling prices on Amazon, and calculate potential profits. If the product is profitable and there's high demand on Amazon, you can buy the items from the store, ship them to Amazon, and put them up for sale. Amazon handles all the fulfillment, and you get to take the profit. There are plenty of stores where you can do this, such as Target, Dollar General, Marshalls, Ross, and many more. Spending a couple of hours each week looking for deals can lead to making $100 to $300 profit from just one product. To take this business a step further, you can apply for wholesale accounts with big brand retailers to do bulk orders of name brand items at wholesale prices. This may not be easy, but it has great potential, as exemplified by someone I know who's making over $1 million a month selling these big brand items. Number 2. Gutter cleaning. If you're looking for something more hands-on, consider gutter cleaning. You can easily earn $500 to $1,000 per week within the next 30 days. Gutters are installed on roofs to prevent rainwater from damaging homes, and most homes in America have them, especially in rainy areas. However, gutters tend to get clogged and require cleaning, which homeowners are willing to pay for. Starting this side hustle is relatively easy and low cost. All you need is a ladder, which you can rent from Home Depot for less than $30 a day, some gloves, and tools to clean the gutters. Then, you can drive around neighborhoods, knock on doors, and offer your gutter cleaning services. While door-to-door sales can be challenging, it's a service people genuinely need and don't want to do themselves. Finding houses with dirty gutters can easily earn you money, and satisfied customers may refer you to others. Number 3. Reselling free items. For a more scalable side hustle that you can do from home, consider reselling free items. You can find free items and flip them for a profit. You can use apps like freebie alerts on your phone to get notified of free listings in your area on various platforms. While you may need to sift through listings occasionally, you'll find valuable items for free. For example, you might come across free furniture when people are moving out. They often give away quality items just to get rid of them. This side hustle doesn't require much initial investment, but may need a truck for transporting larger items. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Number 4. Parking lot cleanup. Every year, nearly 50 billion pieces of litter are scattered around the world. You can get paid $20 to $50 per hour to help solve this problem. Some entrepreneurs clean up trash in parking lots and make over $100,000 a year. You can follow a similar strategy by identifying big parking lots in your city, contacting property owners, and offering your cleanup services. Property owners are often willing to pay for this service to maintain their properties. While it may not be a scalable business, it's a simple way to make money and improve your community. Number 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a side hustle that can eventually turn into a full-time income. It involves selling products without holding inventory. To succeed, you need to learn product research, website design, and advertising. With these skills, you can create an online store and start selling products. Dropshipping can be highly profitable, and even one successful product can turn it into a full-time business. For detailed guidance on starting a dropshipping business, You can watch a free video tutorial provided by the author. Number 6. Commission-based sales. Solar sales. Commission-based sales jobs are lucrative and they can be done part-time. Selling solar panels is a promising opportunity for 2023. Solar power benefits both the environment and homeowners' wallets, making it easier to convince people to invest in it. Sales reps typically earn 10% to 20% commission on each sale, which can amount to at least $1,500 per scale. There are many solar companies to choose from, and with persistence, you can start closing deals within a couple of months. In conclusion, there are plenty of opportunities to make extra money on the side in 2023. Explore these options and don't hesitate to take the first step towards financial growth. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!